When you join my Simplified Healthy Eating with Meal Planning workshop, you instantly get access to the workshop portal. Here you have the dates and times for both live workshop and coaching calls. You also have the direct link to join the Zoom session. So you definitely want to have that. I'm going to email it to you as well. Don't worry, and I'll send reminders, but it's all here in the portal. The downloads are also here. So you can get started right away by downloading the meal planning guide and template. You can also download the workshop slide deck, and that way you've got everything you need. You don't have to take notes. You can also find the workshop meal plan here. So during the workshop, we're going to be filling this in live, and the one that we create together will be available right here. In terms of action items, I want you to do the work. So when you create your meal plan, email it to me for a chance to win one of my cookbooks, and it's going to be mailed to you paperback. Really exciting. And then down here at the bottom are the recordings. So you can get the recording to my meal planning workshop if you missed it, had to leave early, or just want to watch it again. It's going to be available after the workshop. And then finally, the recording to the live group